So my country people them. This one now na original Tory master from Berlin. Yeah, today I bring better Tory. And today we're going to talk about those men, the way they stay with women there for years, for white man country. For 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, they still disappear. The Pomsoro. A wonderful thing. Now I can't tell the people, they say, you if you be that man, where you stay woman, so you run for many years, make thunder fire you, make God punish you, you decrease. You just say you don't do the girl, you don't do yourself. You don't do yourself because it will come back for you. So now we get for broken now for them. I want to make we broken. Where did it happen? That's the same question I ask myself. Why you go stay with woman for many years? You just wake up one morning, you just leave the woman. Sometimes say you can't meet the woman, you get picking. The picking don't look like papa. You just wake up one morning, you disappear. You go Africa, you want to go find some ready-made girl. So why some man don't put money there, you just collect them. My brother, you are fooling yourself. 90% of those type of marriages in never work out. Plenty in the waka. Either the man go kill himself. I don't want to call people their name, but people they know what I talk. Those are the problems happening. They happen every day for one man country. You leave woman where you already build life for over 10 years. You go take somebody where he know nothing about you for 10 years. You want to start life with you. That's the greatest mistake of your life. If you be a woman where you don't be, so you invest for day. That one a different case. But why you go stay with woman where you get woman for Africa? You stay with someone 10 years. You be normal. You surely get mental problem. You need to go psychiatric home. Because it's not normal. You don't fit keep woman for Africa. Then you stay with some other woman here for 10 years. Then after 10 years, you just leave, you say you want to go. Sometimes you get picking out the pikin already call you papa, you want to go. You go outside. You not normal. God will judge you. So now I go back, I ask the girls, why this kind of thing go to happen? You not fit get a clue or you not fit get some small sentiment, say this man will be your man. Because those men, you go see the signs that one has say the man, he go be for social media all time. Facebook, Snapchat, all time WhatsApp. The message. But no one day, you not fit be for a profile picture. You cannot. Not even your picking. Suspect the man. Something is not right. If man really love you and he there for social media full time, he go use your picture like profile picture. That one is sure. Those type of people they not go shoot up for house make any important call. Now, no one day you go only call a friend for down there for bar. Boy, how that end? No, any important call now for outside. Now for outside you go make up. You no go ever see it. Meanwhile, when person get better call where you want talk, better talk. For family, you should down for your sitting room. You talk up. Maybe sometimes your woman go even pass around, feel you go see sometimes, maybe you be happy or you be sad, he go feel console you. That's so it is. So my sister, if you deal with man for house, the man in the cooperate, in the feel at home, no say that man gets a hidden agenda. You have to start acting. He need to help you for cook, wash pan, take pikin for school, pick pikin for school. He need to do all those things there. It is just the play. Jump one corner, just the form. Leave that thing, my sister. That kind of man, put it outside. Put the man outside. No matter whether you get 1 or 2 pikin, nobody herself. That one now are this self. When you get 1 or 2 pikin, advantage for men. They need those type of women. Package yourself well. Fix your body. Go outside there. You go catch another better man. Maybe someone way even serious. Not waste your time with somebody where they play you like chingonka. You understand? Make we stop for the fool ourselves. If you deal with girl, you not love it. Or you think say we not be together, maybe for a permanent relationship, define with it. Or if you be so, you don't already get some relationship for Africa, we don't already invest. Before you can meet up, he tell you. Maybe sometimes that guy you tell you. Sometimes he even gets some his own relationship for Africa too. Wait to the wait on. That time when I just do the thing. Not just the cash fund. Now no so when I get because they happen plenty. That one I know. Plenty get the understand, but not because with the lie. We need to tell them the truth. That time he too go the act, but he go reserve some kind of thing them. No, he no go just come in now with all let's say one key set. So speak the truth to your friend, to your partner. It no go hurt. It can hurt just shortly, but later they go fit overcome them. And if it means say we are not fit continue, then when I separate, you look somebody. Not take some guy, put it for us, eat the cookie, good for €4. Good dollar and plantain. It saves you for night. For 10 years, 5 years, you just call one money, you disappear. What do you think say you do? Make your heart judge you, because God no will forgive you. If the thing not come back for you, go come back for your picking. Except you not get picking, they will come back for you. If you not love God, tell it. If you just love it for cash fund with it, tell it. You get plenty together outside with it. Like men, they just like for cash fund. They said they not even want them in so long relationship. So tell them. So that girl, when you leave woman here, you go take, because most situation where it don't already come for me. So boy don't call me. He don't go bring woman for Africa. He don't know the woman for 10 years. He's a hustle for years, for many years. He don't sleep get them. You for even find one among those one the way you don't suffer with her for years. You know, you see one go find nyang, fresh fish, he go bring up. After 1 year, he did for a balcony, he say one kill himself, one jump for that kill himself. They say wait, he said the girl leave you. How you no go leave you? As you believe that other one there, so you go find you. She say you know come back for you. Are you surprised? You don't get for surprise. That is life, my sister. Stop fooling yourself. Stop fooling yourself, my brother. Make we not keep fool one another. Make we not keep fool our sister. If you deal with your sister, tell you the truth. Oh, no, so then for hustle land. But no need for the exploit your sister. You deal with you, he spend all your money for you, they just hook up 1 month and you disappear. It don't make sense. I dey talk more about women because it happen more than for women. It happen for men, but for very small number. So make we think well. Make we stop for the fool one another. Make we love one another. Despite we not say things are hard for you too, but at least not only for you, hard too for the girl. So girls, make we navigate thing. If you see man, if they do wayo, you see say no waka. No wait, see the thing not chop you inside your belly before you want explode. That time you go get either brain tumor, you know, you go get high blood pressure, you go get some kind of sick the way you not be need them. So for the beginning, if you need a worker, try for call and off. Call and off, you go get another man. This one a hustle land. No? So tomorrow, I'm going to talk about another point. Those men, the way that they go bring woman for Africa can't stay with her. There's more time. The relationship need a worker. Wait till they happen. I go tell you now all the things already happen why you need a worker, because statistics don't show say out of 100 girls that they go bring them for Africa, like marriage, bring them for here, 50%, 60% they broke out, even 80%. You need a worker. The woman will end up, it go away, the man go away. So there is a reason. Tori Master will tell you now that one tomorrow. So notwithstanding, I dey remind you now again, if you not love somebody, not waste the person's time. If you love him, then go inside the relationship with your whole body. Commit yourself for inside the relationship. Do everything what you get for do for keep that relationship, and you go enjoy that relationship. You go enjoy that woman. You go fiepsero, better fiepsero. You go make better love. You understand? You go chop, you feel free. You take you picking them out, show them love. That is how relationship grows, So make we stop for the fool one another. This one at Tori Master. I will come again tomorrow. So make me not forget for subscribe on my YouTube channel. Now follow me for Instagram, for Twitter, for Facebook. Now drop in the comments for the next topic we wish to make a talk for. I wanna like this video, share the video well. One love. Stay blessed, stay safe. Original to remaster casserole. Bye.